Ní Aistriúcháin a closigh si bhnocht de corda. Mé astratha, atratha is cuéilethe le hiisce éirithe an bhéarla. A dhéanach lemonád thuailínach déan darab ma cuid filiachta.
No. Tonight there will be no translations. Sure, what am I doing here anyway? Is this just the latest fashion? A fad? The bilingual reading. Poetry a scoilge. Had the world gone mad?
Anima, I rion tú tíirseach de clúsa fáilsa éirneacha. Féin sásamh an managlat a déirleat.
It sounds lovely. I wish I had the Irish. Don't you do translations?
Iad ag stána arm go mór thuúlach. Mar a stána chur éon chur na curann, mí compóir de canálartha.
How glad they are when it's all over. Glad the English poet is up next, with a few jokes to smooth over the slight hitch in the evening. And here he is, with his talk of cafe culture and Seamus. Here he is to prove to them they are witty, broad-minded and cultured, that they get the gist of this poetry thing that tops and tails the evening. Here he is now.
Agus sin misha, an siúd howla ménar. Ig gár nail ma grúma, ig stána go héadfar. Ólta íon rua ma cuid filiachta gaelga. Nor higéine.